Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Acquirefi token. Ticker symbol is ACQ. Now this token just got listed today on a central exchange, a very big central exchange with over 6 million users. We're going to go over the Acquire token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Acquirefi is on a mission where investing and Web3 intersect, creating a new wealth building paradigm for all. Two products intricately linked. First is crypto, and then also an M&A marketplace. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. So far they have 894 holders, so they're on their way here to 1,000 holders. Their holders are up 2.35%. Token price is around 1 cent per token, and token price is up 12.31% today as well. So they're probably doing pretty well today because of this new central exchange listing. Fully diluted market cap, $2.2 million. Circulating supply market cap, $574,000. 18 decimal places on this token. Max total supply, 300 million ACQ tokens. So if you're looking to get this token, it just got listed today, brand new listing, August 9th, 10 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token, simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search ACQ, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have a Twitter. I'm going to put that up in the corner of the screen over there. At Acquire_FI on Twitter. They have the blue verified check mark. 984 or 85 tweets on there. It says Acquirefi is connecting funds, investors, and entrepreneurs. Vetted, verified, and validated, just like the blockchain. 19,200 Twitter followers. Not too bad there as well. They also have a link to their Telegram on their Twitter, at Acquirefi on Telegram. 7,545 members on their Telegram. So all the information is going to be on their webpage, acquire.fi. Over there you could find staking information where you could stake your tokens. You could launch their app. You could check out their blog articles at acquire.fi/blog. It says buy business. You can click on that. Sell business or raise for a business. Investing in Web3, creating a new wealth building paradigm for all. Exclusive crypto, blockchain, NFT, and Web3 M&A deal flow, fractionalized ownership through crowdfunding. So a pretty cool webpage. They've been featured in all sorts of different news articles like the Daily Hodl, CoinGape, Crypto News, Business Insider, AMB Crypto, CoinDesk, Benzinga, etc. There's tons listed on here. So real-world asset NFTs. Investors can harness new wealth building platform that diversifies portfolios with real-world asset ownership using NFTs. Acquirefi is a Web3 M&A ecosystem where fractionalized ownership of real-world assets is being pioneered. Acquirefi is a global investor community crowdfunding diversified investments and remains on the blockchain. So they will soon offer empowering Web3 funding. So Acquirefi now offers crowdfunding to help innovative Web3 businesses raise capital from a wider range of investors. With its expertise in M&A and crowdfunding, Acquirefi is well positioned to support the growth of Web3 companies. Also, just like I mentioned, stake to earn. So ACQ staking is now live. Stake your ACQ paired with USDC in a liquidity pool to earn rewards today. Staking the Acquirefi utility token, ACQ, opens up many opportunities. Now you can provide liquidity on Uniswap and stake your ACQ LP tokens and start earning ACQ rewards. You'll reap the benefits of ACQ staking in just 2 minutes from start to finish. So there's Acquirefi premium services like business valuation. We provide comprehensive valuation services to help you make informed decisions in matters of seconds, such as mergers and acquisitions, tax planning, financial reporting, litigation support, and more. Our team is equipped to provide you with customized solutions that are tailored to your specific needs. Also, due diligence. Benefit from our pre-listing mandatory due diligence. Full due diligence analysis and reporting can be provided as a white glove service. And media services. Gain from our marketing services, including content writing, video creation, company pitching, social media support, and more. With Acquirefi's reach well into 6 figures across all platforms. We also have the corporate development as a service. We also have corporate incubator Web 2 and 3. Access to the largest Web 3 investor network. And artificial intelligence augmented automation. So revolutionizing startup investments with crowdfunding in Web 2 and Web 3 spaces. The platform features are vetted deals, exclusive M&A opportunities, investment pools, buyer support, business valuation services, Web3 due diligence. You can find their team is doxed on their webpage with pictures, full names, job titles, and background. They also have tons of partners on here. And their newest partner, Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token, it just got listed on Mexc Global today. So check out those referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Acquirefi? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.